these, okay? Do these drills. Ooh, that's pretty good. Hey you guys, it's your girl JJC. So welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're already a subscriber. So today we're going to be learning a dancehall move called Naki Ball, and it's referring to soccer. It's a dancehall move that's created by Shelly Belly, and Shelly Belly is a well-known Jamaican dancer, and he created a few dancehall moves already. But today we're going to be doing this one called Naki Ball. So if you're interested in that, definitely stick around. And the message of the day is, just do it. Before we get started, I always suggest what? Warm up. And warming up is important because it will help your flexibility. It will lessen injury, stretch out your muscles, warm it up, get the blood pumping, and just feel good. All right. So if you already have a routine, warm-up routine, then go ahead and do it. If you're already warmed up, then you can wait or you can fast forward. And if you don't have anything, you can follow along. All right, so let's get to it. Learn the Naki Ball by Shelly Belly. It is pretty much soccer, aka football. Some countries call it football. So this dancehall move is quite simple. It is quite high energy as well. And there are like some variations. And for me as a dancer, you can stylize it and do, other things that are kind of related to soccer if you want. Me, I'm not a soccer player. I can pretend to be one. So the breakdown of Naki Ball, you can look up, like there's an imaginary ball, down to the ground. So I'm right-handed. I'm gonna put my right hand kind of up, okay? kind of like an angle here. Okay, it can be higher if you like for more dramatic effect. It could be down here. It could be a little lower to the side. Suppose you have an injured shoulder. All right. So what you're going to do is take the opposite leg. So right arm, left leg, and you're gonna kind of sweep your left leg across, like kind of diagonally. Okay, kind of diagonal. And using the front part of your foot, you're going to kind of just sweep it across. Okay, boom, across. Now you could do it in the front, but for me, I like it when it looks like a diagonal, like, yeah, like a diagonal versus like across. Okay, the choice is yours. Like I said, there are some style variations. For me, what I'm teaching you guys is kind of like what I prefer. It's just subtle directional things. Okay, but yeah, so all right, so your hand is up here, your leg is kind of sweeping diagonal, and when it sweeps in, your hand is coming down. Okay, so as it sweeps in, your right arm is coming down to just kind of hit the air. Okay, so when it hits, it kind of just stops right there. Okay, so it's kind of like a hard hit. Okay, so it's kind of like in combination, it's like this, boom, boom, boom. Okay, so do think of you're kicking a ball, but you're hitting it at the same time. Right, so you go boom, boom, boom. Okay, so practice that with your foot. Okay, boom, sweep it out, huh? And then your arm is just going down like this. If you want to do it up and bring it down, that's like more dramatic and that looks like way more impact. Boom, boom. Okay, so from here up. Okay, so you need some strong shoulders perhaps to continually do it, or you can kind of have it just at like here, like fist at your head or a little lower. Okay, you can do it kind of cool and, you know, within a confined spot. Suppose you don't have that much room, somebody's here and you know you want to dance, you could just kind of lower it down here like this. Okay, so I'm doing it with a closed fist. So that's one side, and then the other is essentially the same thing. Okay, so depending on the song and the beat, you know, it kind of goes hand in hand, but you could do this like 4 times, like 1, 2, 3, 4, then switch and bring my right leg now and my left hand to do the same thing. Okay, so remember, sweeping at a diagonal, like kicking at a diagonal. Okay, and then bringing the arm. Remember, you could do it high, medium, low here. Okay, so I'm gonna start my right arm from the beginning. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Then switch your weight and go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so when you're hitting, you kind of like tense your body. Okay, so it's not like, I mean, you could kind of move if you want, but it's like hard hits. It's like okay. So pretend the ball is there if you can see it. Okay, so you're gonna go knock. This move does have variations. You can have fun with it if you have experience playing soccer, aka football in some countries, then add that in with a twist. Okay, so you could look up like you're watching the ball come down, then start it, and you could do like the little kicks, you know? You know, when they go like this. pretend like a ball is hitting on your heel. Okay. Okay. So kick out like soccer. Thank you guys so much for watching. It's your girl JJC. I hope you have fun learning the Naki Ball dancehall move. Big ups to Shelly Belly. Thank you for watching the Dance with JJC series. And until then, I'll see you on the next one. See you on the next one. I'll see you on the next one. It's your girl JJC. Toodles.